Tick tick tick. Pampos and Sazia were discussing whose home is further from school. I have to walk for 5 minutes to reach school. I just walk for 2 minutes to reach school. Impossible. Your home is further from school. But I check my watch. I start for school at 7 o'clock. When I reach school, the minute hand point at 2. So shouldn't it be 2 minutes past 7 or 7 2 o'clock? You are wrong. You reach at 7:10 o'clock. How can I see this thin lines between the numbers? Yes, so but the minute hand moves across 10 lines after 12. So it is 10 minutes past 7 or 7:10 o'clock. I start for school at 7. I reach at 7:05 o'clock. See the minute hand moves across 5 lines. Practice time. 3 friends read time from a clock. Who is right? Chiku, Bittu, Pinky. Show the following times in the clock: 3:10, 6:40, 4:45, 2:20, 3:15, 7:35. Do you like sky watching? If yes, then this one should interest you. At what time does the sun rise at your place? When does the sun set? Does the sun rise and set at the same time every day? Look at the newspaper and see the time of sunrise and sunset in different months. Look at the photos and guess the time at this place. This photo was taken in Paris, France. In Paris, the sun sets after 10 p.m. at night during summer. This photo was taken at night, but in winter it become dark here by 4 p.m. in the evening. Find out how long it will take on the minute hand to move from. Draw where the hand will be: 20 minutes after 6 o'clock, 10 minutes after 7 o'clock, 30 minutes after 8 o'clock, 15 minutes after 5 o'clock. How long does your school assembly take? How long is your lunch break? How long is your game period? It is the same as the other periods. The games period and lunch break seem very short, are not they? How many minutes can this activity take? Make a guess and then check at home. Boiling 1 liter milk, filling a bucket, sweeping your room. Activity time in 1 minute. How many times you can snap your fingers, skip a rope, jump up and down. Write more such fun activities in this column. Here is another challenge for you. How long can you speak non-stop, stand on one leg, sing without a break? How long do you take to run a 50-meter race? Collect pebbles from the ground. Count 1 to 10, 100. Who is winner? Let's look at the clock again. Solve this one. The minute hand start from 2. How many minutes will it take to come back to again? What happens to the hour hand? Does it also move? How long will it take move from 1 to 100, one number? to the text. Look around you and list the activity that take about 1 hour to complete. How long does it take to cook dinner at home? More than an hour, less than an hour. Ask your father if he can cook as fast as mother does. Which games take less than an hour to finish? How long does a football match take? Rani's diary. Come, let's go to see my new baby sister. Ma, I have brought sweets for Munia, but she can't eat. She is too small and she doesn't even talk. She will start doing all this slowly as she grows up. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. I will note down in my diary when she first started talking, eating, walking. Here are some pages from Rani's diary. 5 March 2005, Munia is born today. 15 September 2005, Munia got her first tooth. 10 November 2005, Munia sat up. 20 November 2005, Munia started crawling. 5 January 2006, Munia stood up. 5 September 2006, Munia ate a banana. 2 February 2006, Munia started walking. Mark these in the correct order on Munia times line. Was born. Munia got her first tooth in September. How many months old was she then? How many months have passed from March to September? How old was Munia then? She first sat up. She got her first tooth. What did she do first? Walking, eating a banana, crawling, standing. Rani's had a pet puppies after 2 weeks. It opened its eyes. She watched it grow like this. After 3 weeks, it got its first teeth and started eating. After 4 weeks, it started walking around but was still bobbling. It had a full set of teeth by the time it was 7 months old. After 1 year, it was a grown up dog and got its own puppies. Now make a timelines of this dog life in your notebook. Note the difference between Munia and Rani's puppies. Started barking, ate food for the first time, got the first tooth. Find out, do all animals grow at the same speed? Discuss about the growth of a hen, a cow, a bird. Draw the pictures of the baby animals and the big animals. Here are the pictures of grandfathers posing for a photograph. Who looks the oldest to you? Elephant Appu's grandfather's 95 years old. Choo Choo Rat's grandfather 2 years old. Rani's grandfather 70 years old. How much older is Appu's grandfathers than Rani's grandfathers? Will Choo Choo's grandfathers ever grow as old as Appu's grandfathers? How much younger is Choo Choo Rat's grandfather than Rani's? Grandfathers. Holiday are fun. Atif's holiday had begun. He was very excited. He had made some wonderful plans. Wanted to tell his cousin Shabana, so he wrote her a letter. Dear Shabana Appa, hello. How are you? I am fine here. Appa, my holidays have started from today. I am going to my nanny's place on 5/5/2006. I will be back on 25/2006. My school will have reopen on 36/2006. When does your school close? Why don't you come here? We will have great fun. By now, for now, Shabana, who stay in Nagpur, got this letter on 6/5/2006. She wrote back to Atif, Nagpur. Dear Atif, hello. I am doing well here. I got your letter yesterday. Happy holiday. My school will close on 1st January, June 2006. It will reopen on 10 August. I will go on a school trip to Goa and will return on 7/6/2006. I will try to come to Ajmer after that. By Atif wrote his letter on 1/5/2006. You remember how we write a date in numbers. Now write which date these stand for. Write this date in numbers. How long did it take the letter to reach from Ajmer to Nagpur? How many days will Atif spend at his nanny's place? Fill in the table. How who has got longer holidays, Shabana or Atif? Who long holidays do you get in school? Fill the table. Summer holiday, autumn break, winter break, holidays after the exam. On 15 May 2006, Chandran went to a shop to buy butter. He checked the packet to see if this butter was safe to eat. It was right on the packet before before 180 days from the date of packing. Then he checked the date of packing. It was 15/1/2006. Helped him find out if he should buy this butter or not. In which month was the butter packed? Which month will it be 180 days after 15/1/2006? Can Chandran eat it on 15 May 2006? Do you ever check the date of packing of things you buy? Have you seen medicines which have the expiry date written on them? It tell us you after date it is unsafe to take the medicine. Find out which are the other things that come with an expiry date. On a cough syrup, it was written manufacturing date. This shown in was made in July 2003. Expiry date 7/5. This shown the month and year till when it is safe to take, but month and year is written as 75. Would it be safe to take cough syrup in September 2005? Tuntun missed the train. Tuntun's school had closed for the summer holiday. He went to his grandma's place. He met a lot of his cousin there. He was enjoying himself and didn't want to go back home. Tuntun's pack your bag. The train leaves 5:30 in evening. Oh no, we were going back so soon. I wish we miss our train. Tuntuns and his parents reached the station at 5:15. But guess but they had actually missed the train. Platform 4. Hooray! That means I am not going back today. You can guess by they missed the train. Actually the train had left at 5:30 in the morning. Tuntun's parents were upset. They asked the station master, our ticket says 5:30, but sir, this means 5:30 in the morning. Oh yes, how could I forget that? The railway will be right. 5 7:30 17:30 for 5:30 in the evening. Why? Because they use if 24 hours clock. Look at the chart. Tell the difference between your watch and 24 hours clock. Try to complete it. Now you can tell the by a 24 hours clock is called so. Suppose a train leaves at 8:30 at night. The time written on railway ticket would be in a 12 hours clock. Each time comes twice in a day. 5:30 in the morning is 5:30 a.m. 5:30 in the evening is 5:30 p.m. What about 12:30 in the afternoon? That is 12:30 p.m. After 12 o'clock at noon, we use p.m. till midnight. You must have not note the time to sunrise and sunset, right, using am and pm. Time of sunrise, time of sunset, where you have seen in 24 hours clock being used.